Wanted to share with you a piece that is going out the door today to a great client who's moving over to the Big Island and wanted to take something with them from Oahu. So several years ago, there was a big koa tree that came down of Tantalus, and it was quite a process to get the wood. We had to get a permit from the state, and my God, it was the most backbreaking work I've done in my life. But what a stunning piece of koa. This koa is, I find from this island, tends to be very dense and not the most stable. So it's good that we had it for about 3 years to let it move, do what it's gonna do. A couple notes about other notes about the design and construction. So koa is such a rare and valuable wood that we have to use it thoughtfully. So for the base, the wood that we used is earpod. And of all the woods that grow on the island, I feel like earpod is the closest in terms of color and grain. And really the showpiece is the top. So we want these to kind of blend. Then the other part of this design is that imagine you have a sofa, and this can kind of tuck under the leg of the sofa. So you scoot it in, and then you have sort of a piece that hovers over the couch. So this beauty is going out the door today, and this is also a coffee table for that same client, and highly figured piece of monkey pod. And with a figured piece like this, tough, durable finish, important. With a really figured piece like this, the base really wants to be very simple. A couple of rectangular legs, slight taper, and a shelf underneath. So this is some of the prettiest monkey pod we've seen, and it's going to a great new home.